is we're going to go through and we're just going to start, and everybody's going to read your intro, and then we will go, where's 1? Where's group 1? Okay, so paragraph 1, 2, right? And then 3, where's 4? Okay, can we get in order so we can go around? So you guys come over here. 4, where's 5? 5, and then, so you guys switch sides with 6? Okay, so we're going to start with Ohio, because you're the first side of that stuff. Okay, so you're going to read your intro, and then we'll go all the way around to intro, and then seamlessly, I just want it to go into those phrases. So however you guys have broken them up within your groups about who's going to read which ones. Does that make sense? So what we're doing here is kind of collecting a heartbeat of the document. Okay, so we're just going to see what we pull out from it.
Use Maryland as a refuge for people.
The act was a pragmatic solution to a serious problem.
Danger from intrusion.
Document form to provide advice. Whatsoever person shall.
We were talking about the heartbeat of the document. Okay, what does that mean? What is, if we're talking about a heartbeat, what is a heartbeat? Okay, so pumps blood through body, right? What else? Okay, yeah, so it has rhythm. Whoa, that's an N. I hate that word. Okay, so it has a good rhythm, right? So Brandon's saying pumping words. Okay, good. So what we were looking at is what is kind of the underlying heartbeat, okay? That rhythm, what's going through, what are you constantly hearing? We didn't read this as in-depth as we read the document yesterday. It was only 9 lines. This one's like 80 million. Okay, so we didn't go line by line, and not everybody in here read all of the documents. So what are we picking up here, Brandon? Good, yeah, so lots of punishment. Yeah, so we're good. So we're talking about Protestant stuff and Catholic stuff and those kind of basic Christian rules. Okay, what else were you hearing in that heartbeat? So stuff about not fighting, about religion. Why is that a big deal? Right, yeah, so there has been quite a bit of fighting about religion, right? Even though we've talked about how Catholics and Protestants are all Christian, okay, there's been quite a bit of fighting about religion. So something about being peaceful. Okay, anything else that's popping up in that heartbeat for us? Yeah, so the punishment, lots of money. Okay, good. So, yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay, so we have lots of land loss, lots of money, lots of physical shaming. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so lots of that kind of stuff going on. So what does this heartbeat tell us? What do we pull from this? Before we kind of really dig into this document, what can we pull from this? Okay, yeah, so that whatever this is, right, is a serious thing. Because you have all of this going on, right, all of those punishments, which are all really serious. Okay, this is a serious thing. So when you come back from lunch, we're going to dig into this a little bit more and kind of compare it to what we were looking at yesterday and compare it to some other things that we know. So in looking at this document, what conclusions do we feel comfortable making? Ohio? Okay, so what does that really tell us about, like, the document? What conclusion are you pulling from that? Okay, so we know that the Holy Trinity is really important. And where's the evidence for that? Okay, so paragraph 2. Okay. All right, what else? Jenna? Okay, so good. And what are some evidence pieces for that? Liar. Okay. Okay. Indulgences? Yeah, so, since you're the only one in world history right now, can you explain to everybody else what was going on with that? 6 minutes. Okay, so if we kind of look at the New Hampshire document that we looked at yesterday, and we look at the Maryland document that we looked at today, what are some things that they have in common? Okay, yeah, so we have religious centered. Okay? And what religious stuff specifically? Yeah. Okay, good. What else do they have in common? Yeah. 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 Yeah, still. Okay, what else do they have in common? Okay, so some kind of legislative differences. Okay, so the Maryland document, lots of detail and planning versus basically like an explanation. Yeah. Of brainstorm future plan, right? Only 9 lines. Okay.